Everyone, welcome again to a seminar for online maths. In this lesson, we have this problem to solve. It says that 4 power a minus 36 power b is equal to 28, where a comma b are element of the positive integers. Okay, so to solve this, we can break down 4 as 2 to the power of 2. That will give us 4. Then we have our a minus 36 can be written as 6 to the power of 2. Then we have our b. Everything is equal to 28, right? Now, this can be seen as 2a, then raised to the power of 2, minus 6b, then raised to the power of 2 as well. Everything is equal to 28. Am I right? Now, 28 is the value we get when we subtract 2 power a squared minus 6 power b squared, right? So this is now a difference of 2 squares. So you can write it as 2 power a minus 6 power b into 2 power a plus 6 to the power of what? B equal to 28. But you know that 28 is the same thing as 1 times 28. 28 is also the same thing as 2 times 14. 28 can also be the same thing as 4 times what? 7. Am I right? So, but we know that a and b should be element of the positive integers, isn't it? So we have to choose the best number to use here. But if you look up properly here, you will understand that 2 raised to the power of any number must be even, because 2 is even. And also, since 6 is even number, 6 power any number will also be even. So this is even number, this is also even number, right? So, but this one here is odd. I'm not picking it. This 7 here is odd. I'm not picking it. We need products that will be even numbers, okay? Therefore, we are using 2 and 14. But this one that is positive should be bigger. So this should be equal to 14. Why this one that involves subtraction will be 2, okay? So I can write that 2 power a minus 6 power b is equal to what? 2. While 2 power a plus 6 power b is equal to 14, right? Now, assuming I try to add the two equations. If I add the two equations, 6 power b minus 6 power b plus 6 power b will be 0. Then 2 power a plus 2 power a will give us 2 multiplied by 2 power a equals 2 plus 14 is 16. Now, let us divide both sides by 2. This will cancel out. I am having 2 to the power of a is equal to 8. So 2 power a is the same thing as 2 power 3. Bases are the same thing, therefore a is equal to 3. Now we've gotten a as 3. To get b, you can say substitute a equal to 3 in equation star. Let's say this is now star, equation star. Okay, so what it will now be will be 2 to the power of 3 minus 6 power b, everything is equal to 2. 2 power 3 is 8 minus 6 to the power of b equals 2. So minus 6 power b is equal to 2 minus 8. Minus 6 power b is equal to minus 6. Minus cancel minus. So 6 to the power of b is equal to 6 power 1, because 6 and 6 power 1 are the same thing. Bases are the same thing, therefore b equal to 1. So our b is 1, while our a can be 3. Bye.